Now, the next operation in this whirlwind tour of CRUD operations with JDBC and Microsoft SQL Server is update. And the update in this case is going to look a lot like the prepared statement that we use for the create operation. I'm just going to throw some SQL in here. I'm going to use string instead of var just to be crazy. And I'll say update task and set the name to question mark where the name equals. And we kept putting in learn Jakarta EE. We've got that in there once already. And the next time we run that create on line 12, that'll go in there a second time. So let's update that. It'll be in there twice. So we'll end up having two records updated, although it's only in there once. And what are we going to update it to be? That is the question mark. It's literally the question mark there on line 15. So what we'll first do is get that prepared statement like we did with the create operation of CRUD. Make sure you use the JDBC URL when you get that connection from the driver manager. And the prepared statement is going to use that update SQL. We'll be using a connection pool soon enough. So don't worry about the get connection stuff. But we've now got to do the update. So we need to set that first question mark to something clever. And what's more clever than learning Mojo, the programming language that's going to replace Python? So there we go. That should update to records. We are executioners here. So what do? We execute. Then finally, we just have to say system.out.println. The record was updated. Might be plural, actually, a little grammar problem there, but I'm not going to worry too much. There you go. One learn Jakarta EE. There'll be a second one when the create operation happens there on line 12. Let's run this though, see what happens. Run as a Java application. And there we go. The result set prints out learn Jakarta EE twice, but you know where I'm from. Let's do a refresh and execute. Learn Mojo is in there twice. We have successfully updated our SQL Server database with JDBC. That's pretty impressive. Now let's refactor this. Right click, source, refactor, extract method. That is the update of our CRUD JDBC operation. So we'll call it CRUD operation. Click OK, and then we're ready to mosey on into the world of deleting records from our database.